Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Vinod Stuti.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
You single or married?
My status is below.
Okay. You have any work experience?
Yes, I have
Where do you work?
two 2 years
Yes, where do you work?
in Bogor,
Okay, what you do in the employer house?
working take care of children.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can
What food you can cook?
cook Indonesian food.
Okay, in Singapore, if let's say employer house very big, look after elderly, can you handle?
Yes, I can handle. Okay.
Are you afraid to stay at home alone?
Yes, I can.
Can you're not afraid. Okay, Ken, thank you.
But you are welcome, ma'am.